How to unarchive chats on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you accidentally archived a conversation on Telegram, don't worry. You can easily unarchive it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unarchive chats on Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened it, at the top you can see the archive chats, so simply tap on that. Now here you can see your hidden conversation. Now you have a couple ways to unarchive chats. You can simply swipe left to unarchive chats from here, or you can simply select the chats, and once you have selected it, simply tap on the three dot at the top right corner, and from the drop down menu simply tap on unarchive, and after tapping on that, the hidden conversation will move back to the main chat list. And that's it. That's how you can unarchive chats on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.